How to use leverage on Forex.com. Are you guys facing issues to use leverage on Forex.com? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. Leverage allows you to control larger trade size with a smaller amount of capital. On Forex.com, leverage is applied automatically based on the instrument you are trading and your account type. For example, if your leverage is set to 1:50, that means you can control $50 for every $1 in your account. To check your address your leverage, log in my account, then go to account settings or trading preferences. If your region allows it, you will see the option to change leverage for your account as well. Choose the level that fits your trading strategies. Higher leverage means bigger potential gains but also higher risks. When placing a trade, your margin requirement will automatically calculate based on the leverage you have selected. Always monitor your available margin in your dashboard so you don't trigger a margin call. And if you are not sure how to do any of these steps, make sure to check out other videos in this channel for full guidance. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.